Over 100 vendors claim to have a SIEM. Most can't deliver. Can your SIEM do this? Exabeam Nova Investigation Summary. A typical SOC analyst spends hours gathering evidence and documenting findings. Repetitive, time-consuming work that leads to burnout. Exabeam changes the game with Exabeam Nova, the industry's first multi-agent AI experience. Inside Threat Center, Exabeam Nova automatically generates detailed threat summaries before the analyst even begins. It collects and analyzes data, highlights what matters, and delivers clear next steps. Even junior analysts can follow with confidence. That means more time spent on investigation and response, less on manual tasks. Exabeam Nova boosts efficiency, reduces burnout, and empowers proactive security teams. Real intelligence, real security, real fast.